Hey everyone, welcome back to the Daily Past. Now today we've got a pretty interesting topic that's shaking things up in the world of military aviation. So grab a seat, because we're talking about the rising competition to Lockheed Martin's F-35 and how China's new 6th-generation fighter jets are causing some serious turbulence in the skies and in the stock market. Let's get into it. Okay, so for years, the F-35 has been the go-to fighter jet, right? When people think of cutting-edge air combat, it's the F-35 that comes to mind. We're talking about stealth, precision, and the kind of agility that makes it one of the most advanced jets ever built. But here's the thing. China is coming out with something that could make the F-35 look a little, well, outdated. Yeah, you heard that right. So there's this article in Global Times that's been making the rounds, and it's got a lot of people talking. Analysts from Deutsche Bank are sounding the alarm, saying that China's new 6th-generation fighter jets could actually outclass the F-35. And this isn't just about the jets themselves, it's about the market impact. The buzz is that these new Chinese jets are bringing some serious technological advancements that could make the F-35 a bit less appealing to some buyers. Now, if you've been following the defense industry, you know that the F-35 has been a huge cash cow for Lockheed Martin. It's been driving a massive chunk of their revenue. But with this new competition on the horizon, Lockheed Martin's starting to feel the heat. Deutsche Bank even downgraded Lockheed's stock from buy to hold, which is definitely a sign that some big players are worried about the future of the F-35. So what's going on with China's 6th-gen jets? Well, let's dive into that. Few days back, Chinese social media was flooded with videos that might show test flights of these next-gen jets. Now, we don't have official confirmation from the Chinese government, so we can't say for sure. But the speculation is pretty wild. If these jets are what people think they are, they could be way more maneuverable and stealthy than the F-35. These new jets might also feature some next-level tech things like AI that can help pilots make real-time tactical decisions, hypersonic speeds that could basically make evading missiles a breeze, and even better stealth capabilities. And let's be honest, if all this pans out, these jets could be way more lethal, agile, and just better at air combat than the current 5th-gen models we're seeing today, including the F-35. Now, the United States is well aware of this. They're not just sitting back and relaxing. They've launched the Next Generation Air Dominance, or NGAD program, which is basically their response to China's rising tech. The goal is to develop a new fighter jet that'll keep America ahead in the skies. But here's the thing. The progress on NGAD has been slower than expected. According to the Wall Street Journal, certain aspects of the NGAD program have actually been paused for review, and honestly, that's raising a lot of questions. If China keeps pushing forward with these 6th-gen jets, the US might be playing catch-up, and that could have some pretty serious consequences for US military strategy. Because look, if China outpaces the US in air combat technology, it could shift the balance of power in a huge way. And we're talking about the kind of shift that could have global ramifications, especially for US allies around the world. So yeah, the stakes are pretty high here. But let's zoom in on another country that's watching all of this very closely, India. India's got some serious concerns when it comes to security, especially with its northern and western borders, and China's growing military power is right at the top of that list. India's been trying to beef up its air force with jets like the Advanced Medium Combat Aircraft, or AMCA, and the Tejas Light Combat Aircraft. But here's the thing. India's reliance on foreign military suppliers has left it lagging behind when it comes to developing homegrown, cutting-edge technology. And right now, China's making some big moves with these next-gen jets, which is putting even more pressure on India. Despite some significant investments in aircraft development, India's facing delays, especially with the AMCA program. Budget limitations are also slowing things down. So as China speeds up its 6th-gen jet development, India's got a real race on its hands to catch up. Air Chief Marshal AP Singh even came out recently and said that if India can't keep up with China's air power, its security could be at serious risk. Now, with all of this happening, what does it mean for Lockheed Martin? Well, Lockheed Martin is in a bit of a tricky situation right now. They've been riding high on the F-35 for years, but the competition is getting tougher. And as China pushes the boundaries with these 6th-gen fighters, Lockheed's going to have to think on its feet. The company is already starting to diversify, focusing on next-gen unmanned systems, drones, and even hypersonic weapons. They're also looking into AI-driven defense technologies to stay competitive. But the question is, will it be enough? I mean, the pace of technological change in air combat is picking up fast. If Lockheed doesn't adapt quickly, they might just find themselves in a tough spot. The F-35 era could be winding down faster than anyone expected. And if that's the case, what's next for the global defense landscape? So yeah, China's push into 6th-generation fighter jets is definitely changing the game. It's not just about who has the best technology anymore, it's about who can adapt the fastest. The US, India, and even Lockheed Martin all have some serious decisions to make in the coming years, and things are about to get really interesting. Thanks for tuning in to the Daily Past. If you found this video insightful, make sure to hit that like button, drop your view on comment, and of course subscribe for more breakdowns like this. We'll be keeping an eye on how all of this plays out, so stay with us for all the latest updates. Until next time, stay curious, stay informed, and keep exploring the world with us.